I am Afraz. Today I will be talking about buoyancy. Have you ever wondered how a giant boat floats while a small rock can sink in water? This explains about buoyancy. Buoyancy is a force which is present on fluid which opposes the sinking force. It just pushes the object upward. You may wonder, but the boat has more mass than the rock. Then why does it sink? Because of the unique structure of boat, it doesn't sink. You have seen that in every single boat there will be a same structure, but a rock will have irregular structure so that the buoyancy will be acting less on the rock, which makes it sink. Now I have a model which has two balls, one tin, one bowl, in that I have water. Now, if I push this ball down, it will come up because of the buoyancy force. As you can see, it comes up. Since the mass is very less, it comes up. What if I make the mass more? I make the mass even more. So if I keep it like this, it's not coming up. Since the mass is more than the buoyancy can't act on the object, pushing the it cannot push the object up, which makes the body sink. And if if I decrease the volume, the molecules will be more tightly packed, which is giving more mass for the object, which also makes it sink. If I give the mass as high and the volume as low, as you can see, it's not even coming up. It sinks fully, completely. So today we learned what is buoyancy, what are the factors affecting buoyancy. And please go check out my channel. And if you have any queries, upload it on comments. And any feedback also upload it on comments. And like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.